everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making an incredibly simple yet delicious breakfast or brunch favorite, avocado toast on sourdough bread topped with fresh eggs and radish. I'm also adding some extra color and flavor from the garden, including tomatoes, radishes, and microgreens. Let's get started. First up, let's pick some fresh produce from the garden. I love to use homegrown veggies wherever possible because the flavor is unbeatable. If you would like to learn more about growing food, check out my other YouTube channel called Jera's Garden, linked in the description. This avocado toast has some slices of tomatoes, and I have some Queen of the Night and Thornburns terracotta tomatoes ready for harvest. The garden also gave me some French breakfast radishes. They look so pretty and inspired me to make this avocado toast so I can eat them today. But you can use any radish of your liking. And finally, I harvested some microgreens. This is actually a huge patch of different kinds of Asian greens like mizuna and tatsoi. I'm harvesting the baby leaves to top the avocado toast with greens, but you can use something else like spinach. All right, we have everything we need from the garden. Let's head to the kitchen to gather the rest of our ingredients. You can find the exact ingredient quantities and directions for this recipe in the description below. For this recipe, you need some bread. I'm using homemade sourdough bread. I'll put a link to my recipe for same-day sourdough bread in the description, but you can use whatever crusty bread you like. You will also need some eggs, butter, ripe avocados, a lime, and then the tomatoes, radish, and microgreens. Now let's put it all together step by step. Slice the bread and toast it in the toaster. I cut mine in half since my sourdough bread slices were really big. Butter the toast once it's done. Heat a small skillet over medium heat with a pat of butter. Crack in your eggs, season with salt and pepper, cook to your desired doneness. I like mine over easy so the yolk is nice and runny. Once cooked, set the eggs aside. Next, prep the rest of the toppings. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash it with a fork, adding some salt and a squeeze of lime juice. Thinly slice the radish. Use a mandolin slicer to get perfect thin sliced radishes. I don't have one yet, so I'm just going to slice it with a knife. Then slice the tomatoes. Set all the ingredients aside to begin assembling the avocado toast. I like to spread the avocado on the toast slices first, then top with a thin sliced radish followed by sliced tomatoes. Then top each avocado toast with one egg and the microgreens. And it's all done. This was a quick and healthy breakfast. If you give this avocado toast recipe a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments. And if you have any unique twist or variations on avocado toast, I'd like to hear about it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more garden to table recipes. Enjoy.